Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today, we've just got a quick unboxing I wanted to share with you guys, and I wanted to drop my Instagram down here. So if you guys want to follow me over on Instagram, I post a lot of images and short videos over there. Evans underscore knife addict underscore life, just like over here. That is my Insta, so to speak. And want to thank all my channel members. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you more than you know. And if you guys are new here or you hadn't had a chance yet, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon next to it. It'll notify you when I release new videos like this unboxing that we're getting ready to do. And it also really just greatly helped me and the channel. So I'd appreciate it, guys. So what we have here today is a package from Ozark, Missouri. And it is from T. Denny Custom Knives. And let's just get into it. Our unboxing knife today is going to be our LT Wright little little Voyager first. Guys, you know me, I'm kind of an idiot when it goes to figuring out the best way to open a box, especially when it's taped all the way up. Get where I can see it so I don't cut my hand off. All right. So guys, I was actually hoping to get this before Friday. Packing stuff. Packing stuff. Oh, he taped it down. Ain't that something? But that is the way to do it, guys. I will give T. Denny Custom Knives that. That is the way to do it. All right, so if any of you guys win anything off the channel and you get bubble wrap, you will know that it's because I recycled it. So let's see what we have here. All right, guys. This is a little Apprentice from T. Denny Custom Knives. U.S. maker. This knife was actually pointed out to me by a channel member or Instagram follower telling me to check this guy out. Really cool stuff. Put his card up there. Tyler Denny's his name. The company's T. Denny. And this is an Apprentice with Magnacut vintage caramel micarta. Date 7/20/23. That's his birthday. 2 days before mine, no serial number. And then I'm going to let you screenshot that because it shows you T. Denny's Custom Knives Insta and Tyler's Gmail address. So there's that. All right, guys. So I'll tell you what, I'm pretty stoked about this little knife. I picked this up on his website last week, and there were several. There's still, I'll put his website in the description. Guys, I'd been told about this to be kind of a cool, small little fixed blade. I had no idea it was going to be so well done. I'm a little bit speechless. For one, this is the most unique micarta I've ever seen. And number two, I knew the shape of the blade, and I knew on the website when I clicked purchase that it was an acid etched or acid wash blade, so it looked a little different than the other blades. But man, in person, that is just freaking awesome. Guys, this is a little small EDC fixie, and I think it's perfect for my type of EDC stuff because it's basically urban, my type of EDC stuff, that is, not the knife. But this is a thin little minimalist slicer. Let's see, if I didn't go across the grain, it'd probably do better, wouldn't it? It's very sharp, guys. And the other thing I thought that was really cool about these is Tyler uses Peter's heat treat, if I'm not mistaken. And I want to say this Magnacut comes in 63 or 64, so it should get really good edge retention. You've got this really minimalistic handle, but I think it looks really nice, so it basically fits in the hand very well. I think for a box opener, cutter, um, would I want a feather stick with it? Probably not. It's not a hard use knife and it probably wouldn't be that comfortable after a while. But for a carry around town, heck yeah, I think this is an awesome little knife. I can already see that I will probably, matter of fact, I'm not going to do it on camera because that would be just me asking for trouble. I did stop and get some Amazon clips after our train wreck last time. I figured I might as well go ahead and get another set as I rummage around back here trying to find said set. There they are. And let's think about our mounting options, our carry options. And we know that we don't want to do it on camera because it'll drive you guys crazy. It'll drive me crazy. Um, but I did pick up some more of these. These are the IWB belt loops that I get from Amazon. And I probably missed the handle color because I could have gotten these a lot lighter. They make these guys in almost every color. And you see that little bump right there, that little divot in the snap? That's where it's supposed to lock in where we had so much trouble last time. But what I'm thinking, do I do something like that with a strap or two? Probably just a strap. Or do we do there's a picture of said divot, or do we do something like this? Hmm. Thinky. What is, it doesn't suck, but what I wish is, I wish these ulti clips, and this is the small ulti clip, were designed just a little differently where I could get two screws in there. And it's not anybody's problem or anybody's fault. It's just the way that UltiClip does their um, mounting options. I think if they widen that track out a little bit for this small little belt clip, it would be kind of a nice deal. I think it would be something that would be definitely appreciated by me and probably appreciated by some other knife carrying peeps. All right, guys, let's get our undersized bit because we never learn, right? And let's see where we want to mount that. Do we want to mount that? I think I want to mount that from the bottom. I think I want to mount that from there. I hate it when it's just got the single. Works fine, but it just kind of, it is prone to walk on you or to wiggle. Nobody wants a wiggling dangler, right? But that's why I put that grommet behind there because it'll help cinch it down. Yeah, I think that's going to be the bomb diggity right there, guys. I am pleased. I'm very pleased. So I did think about, I'm going to keep it in my back pocket. That's going to be, I kind of did it on the wrong side. I think I would be happier popping it right there. I think that might work just a little bit better. But see, if they drilled it up, if UltiClip drilled it up just a little bit further here, I could get easily 2 screws through there, which would make it, nice. Granted, it's not going anywhere. So the fact that I only will have one, it doesn't mean it's going to fall out because it's going to be clipped to my garment, me garment. Yeah, guys, that is how the UltiClip works. And then you take it, put it in your clothes, click it shut, and then you've got your clip, your sheath hooked up and ready to go. Guys, it feels great. No rattle at all. Fits in the sheath very well. Got this nice turned out lip. And then what I consider just a wicked, sexy, cute little badass EDC fixed blade. And that is the T. Denny, Brother Tyler Denny Apprentice. These are in stock in a couple of different finishes. I think there's JG10. I'll put a link to it in my website. Guys, I look forward to carrying this, using it, loving on it, adding it to my collection. I want to thank whoever the brother was that pointed this out to me, either through an Instagram message, and I think it was an Instagram message telling me to check these out. But I look forward to checking it out and reporting back to you guys. And I ask, like I always do, and I know I'm a pain in the butt, but please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.